Hey folks, welcome to the Garden Canvas. This is Arizona Apricot Gaillardia. This is a cultivar of a native species. And if you're familiar with the regular Gaillardias, they are mostly going to be red with a yellow margin on the outside. But as you can see, this one is predominantly yellow with a sort of a peach to orange center. This is the native perennial Gaillardia, and this actually is very, very common along the North Carolina coast, along sand dunes. They grow very, very well in sandy soils. So Gaillardia is a very, very tough plant, but you can see a difference in the behavior of the native species versus the Arizona apricot. Still a pretty flower in the perennial version, but just not as tidy, but a great plant. And it's very, very tidy. Makes a nice mounding habit. I planted these from seed last year, and this is the second season, early spring. This is what the flower heads look like when they're starting to emerge. Of course, you can see this stage, and then the opening stage there. And they attract all kinds of bees, moths, skippers, butterflies. And this is what the plant looks like before the flowers start to emerge. And they do self-seed. I have had a few seedlings that have popped up around the main plants. They're supposed to live for about 2 years, so we'll see. This is the second season for mine, but they look extremely healthy, so I would not be surprised if they don't go a little longer than that. So Arizona Apricot Gaillardia, a great, well-trained, well-behaved mounding perennial for the front of your flower beds. Thanks a lot. Hope you guys have a great day.